The animal niche is always a hot topic that attracts a large audience. Have you ever seen videos of tiny animals as small as a fingertip like this one? I've come across them on a few channels and they attract a huge number of views. Pet Shorts is an example of a channel that has found viral success by focusing on miniature animals like tiny snakes, mini oxen, and miniature cobras. These videos attract a large number of views, primarily because the animals are uniquely small and adorable. Do you know how to create videos like these? It's very simple. Within just 1 minute, you can easily produce something similar. First, you need to head over to Kling AI. Then click on AI videos to get started. Next, copy this prompt into the prompt box. Next, replace the word animal in the prompt with the specific animal you want to feature. For example, I use monkey. In the settings, you can use standard mode with a free account. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio for a vertical video format. After that, click generate to create the video. This is the final result. It is so amazing. If you're satisfied with the video, you can download it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own creations with us. See you in the next video.